In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display or remove the formatting marks in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display the formatting marks in Microsoft Word, as well as how to remove them when you no longer need to see them. I'll be using Microsoft 365 on a desktop PC for this demonstration. Let me jump over to Microsoft Word here. As you can see, I already have Microsoft Word opened up. To display the formatting marks in your document, start by going to the top of the Word window and make sure that you are on the Home tab. Once you are on the Home tab, look across the ribbon and find the Paragraph section. This section contains several tools that you can use to control the appearance and formatting of your paragraphs. In the Paragraph section, look toward the upper right area for a small symbol that looks like a paragraph mark. This is the button used to hide or show formatting marks in your document. If you are not sure which button it is, simply move your mouse cursor over the symbol. A small label will appear showing Hide or Show. This lets you confirm that you have found the correct button before selecting it. Now, click on the Hide or Show button. Once you click it, Word will display the formatting marks throughout your document. These marks help you see the formatting that is normally hidden while you work. For example, you may see paragraph marks at the end of paragraphs and other symbols that indicate spacing or formatting within the document. These marks are useful when you want to understand how your document is structured or when you are trying to fix formatting issues. Keep in mind that these formatting marks are only visual indicators. They do not appear in the final printed document or when the document is displayed without formatting marks. If you want to remove the formatting marks from your screen, you can simply follow the same steps. First, make sure that you are still on the Home tab. Then, go to the Paragraph section on the ribbon and find the same Hide or Show icon. Click on the icon again, and Word will remove the formatting marks from the document. So, whenever you need to inspect the formatting of your document, you can turn these marks on, and when you want a cleaner view while working, you can turn them off again using the same button. And that's it. That is how you can display or show the formatting marks in Microsoft Word, and how you can remove them whenever you no longer need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,